So we have a great sentence to look at this week. It says, high wispy clouds race in the autumn wind. Okay, and we're supposed to tell what we notice. What do we notice about this sentence? All right, so I'm going to point out what I noticed. Do you see this comma right here between these two adjectives? All right, so I noticed a comma. The reason you have a comma is because you could say high clouds race in the autumn winds, or you could say wispy clouds race in the autumn wind. So you're describing the clouds in two different ways. They're high and they're wispy. So you have to separate them with the comma there. All right, so anytime you put two adjectives in front of your subject or your noun, then you put a comma like that. All right, I noticed that we have a personification. Personification, I hope I spelled that right. That might be an A right there. Oh well. I also noticed that autumn, it's the name of a season, but seasons aren't capitalized, which is interesting to me because I kind of feel like they should be, but they're not. You don't capitalize fall and summer and spring and winter and autumn. That's just weird, but you don't. You don't capitalize those. Let's see, what else do I notice? It has great description. Okay, great description allows me to visualize. Kind of how we did last week, where you made that foldable and I gave you 4 different sentences and you had to draw the pictures. I could definitely draw some wispy clouds and make it look windy. I can just see this, okay? So those are some things I noticed. Write down some things you noticed. Yeah.